All the normal, regular ways to get rich has been blocked. It's either government has put a legislation or an act or somewhere that blocked it. I'm going to show you a video, right? But regular ways that regular people are supposed to use to get rich, everything has been blocked. In the olden days, they will tell you that if you become a medical doctor, you are sorted. If you not be medical doctor, they go strike now. They don't block them. There was a time that thing was the right, smart move to do. What of lawyer? If you become a lawyer, everybody respects you. Now, you don't see lawyer today. You understand? Lawyers, they hustle. Also everywhere. Most of them are now technical writers. They are now writers. They are looking for writing job. It's not easy. Most of them are on TikTok. You understand? Try to earn money. It's not easy. It's not their fault, but that avenue don't block. Many ways that people would have got rich, they don't block them. Before they tell you to go to school, get a job, and grow, they don't block them. You understand? Everywhere don't choke, they don't block them. Do you know that a lot of things have been blocked, but they are blocked for poor people? I'm telling you. Look at something like Ponzi schemes, right? Ponzi schemes are illegal in many countries, except for banks. Banks are allowed to borrow from Peter to pay Paul or rob Peter to pay Paul, which is Ponzi scheme. Ponzi schemes are, if you go and read the constitution, you see where they give exception for banks. Banks can run it, I'm telling you. Some governments can run it. It's a Ponzi. It's allowed. But you as an individual, if you try it, you go to jail because it's illegal. I'm not promoting Ponzi schemes. Don't get me wrong. So, but at the end of the day, we are in that generation. So at the end of the day, what's left for you is being a genius. If you are smart. Now listen, write down this quote. A genius is right on time. The rest of the masses are behind time. So people catch up to where a genius has already been. So if you're smart, you always find the loophole where you can still make a lot of money before the rest of the masses catch up. By the time they catch up, government will block it. Today it is crypto. We are in that unique point in time where a new president of the most powerful country in the world has entered and is all bullish on crypto. And to prove it, he did his own personal investments on crypto right before becoming president. He has invested a lot of money in crypto. His sons, his family, everybody don't invest. So now he's trying to rewire the US financial system. And you know, US financial system is the financial system of the world. We are in a period in history called the Pax Americana. You understand? When American agreement is what is running the world. We used to have Pax Romania or Romana, yeah, Pax Britannica, and so on. Pax Mongolia in the time of Genghis Khan. You understand? So we are now in the Pax Americana era. So whatever is happening in the US economy will trickle down into other countries. So now this president is trying to make sure that crypto becomes the norm. And to prove that he knows what he's doing, he truly believes what he has invested. Let me give you an example. They want to change the normal system of international transfers to start using crypto instead of, because crypto is 10,000 times faster. No verification needed, no staff, no testing. And he's trying to enforce it. So within the next 2 to 3 years now, crypto will be the standard way to transfer money from US to Nigeria to Africa to Europe and so on, because it's way faster and it's blockchain based. You get what I'm saying? He's trying to make sure that all stable coins use one verification method, and that verification method is also a crypto. I'm telling you. So as this guy is setting standards, you see that he's deliberately crashing the stock market to force the Feds to lower the interest rates. Because once they lower the interest rates, people can now borrow money and invest in crypto. And that will shoot crypto up. So the man is calmly, remember that Trump is an economist. Some people just see him on the video and they think he's a wrong crazy guy like that because of the way media is painting. The guy has a degree in economics. He went to university, graduated as an economist. He proved it in his personal life by becoming a billionaire. You understand? He became a billionaire in his own personal life. In the year he was running for election, he made $3.5 billion last year. He was running for election. That most people will blow all their money during the election and hope to get into presidency and then make the money back through backhanded. The guy was hustling money and still running the election. If he had lost that election, he wouldn't have lost anything because he made a lot of money. That was the year he made the highest amount of money. 2024. Go and check his details. He has the richest man with him, which is Elon Musk. Elon Musk makes double of his money. Some people think he's losing. Tesla lost 13%. Elon Musk is in trouble. Elon Musk's net worth last year was $180 billion to $200 billion. As Trump won, his net worth doubled to $400 billion. World record. You know why I'm saying some of these things? There are things you will see. You will know that this is where the things are going. You invest early. You're supposed to invest in crypto early. This is early time to invest in crypto. Forget all the other past ones. Some people will say if they knew, they would have invested in crypto in 2006, 2016, 2012. This is the new 2012, this year. Instead of buying land, buying house, put your money in crypto, because what? That is where the world is going. When it starts and the whole thing starts growing up, a lot of people, that's when they will now want to invest. At that time, they have become the exit liquidity. You know what is exit liquidity in crypto? When people don't invest, finish, and they are looking to cash out, and then they get you to come and invest. As your money don't enter like this, they cash out. You have become the exit liquidity. So as the crypto market is going down now, this is the cheapest you can get it. This is the best time to go and invest, because all through history, crypto market has always generally gone up. This year is not different. I'm telling you, go and check crypto market from 2010, 11, 12, it will go up, go down, go up. But when you look at it, it's generally going up. There's nobody that invested in crypto and chilled that regretted it. Zero. The only people that regret are people that try to do trading. Some people come to me and say, please teach me how to trade. Fuck is trade, man. You lose your money. Don't trade. If you want to invest, just go to this investor path. It will give you the cryptos to buy. You buy the list of cryptos, right? Then you go to an exchange and invest. There's a number, a WhatsApp chat for admin to guide you on how to do that. Within 10 minutes, you have done your first crypto investment. Even if you have invested before, getting the right list to invest is crucial, so that you put your money inside the cryptos that are known to that will do well in the next 6 months, 12 months. I'm telling you. Most people will buy land and they leave it for 20 years before they sell it. But when they buy crypto, two minutes later, their body is shaking. They want to use the same concept. Buy crypto. The only thing is that crypto will get you rich much faster. Under months. Crypto is going to get you rich under months. Think of what will happen if Trump finally succeeds in bringing down the interest rate. To prove it, under 60 days, he brought down the price of eggs in the US. He brought down petrol price. People can now buy fuel cheaper in the US. Under 60 days. The only reason fuel price is not falling in some African countries is because some African countries use their petrol to take loan. So now when they're taking loan, those loaning institutions, which I don't want to call their name, they have already given those countries benchmark of how much the fuel price must be each year till they recover their loan money. Sometimes it's 10 years, 20 years. I'm telling you. So no matter how much fuel price falls outside the country, all over the world, it will never affect the African country, because everything has been loaned out. That's why you are not noticing that global oil price is going down. So this is a good time to invest in crypto. If you don't have bulk money, if you have bulk money to invest that is sitting somewhere in your bank, go and put it in crypto. You can just click my name to chat me up. You're not giving me your money, you're not giving anybody your money, you're just taking a guide on how to invest. You buy the list, then you'll be guided. This is how to invest. You now decide how to dump your money in. One of the best things you can do for yourself. You look back at 2025 and be like, wow, this was the best thing I did for myself, investing in crypto. Please make sure you share this video. If you want to see more of my videos, you must click the share button here, click the heart icon, and drop a comment.